I'm a quant working in FX markets, where speed matters. I need a fast, scalable way to build an application that I can use to plan my hedges. So I'm working with the LSEG Analytics extension for Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular developer environments in financial services. To build a strategy, I need to understand how currency prices are expected to evolve. I'm going to grab one of the pre-canned natural language templates for pulling in an FX forward curve. This is key to pricing, risk assessment, and spotting opportunities. Now I convert that natural language to code using the AI Assistant, without writing a line of code myself. It offers inline suggestions, then generates the code, which I accept. I've gone from a natural language request to executable code I can use to plot the curve on a chart. I save this script and then click Run. The results return in seconds, powered by real working code that I can deploy. And it took me moments, not days. The AI Assistant did the heavy lifting, so I can focus on building the strategy. Fast. LSEG has made writing production code easier than ever.